Here is a problem. The height reached in time t by a particle thrown with a speed u is given by h is equal to ut minus half gt square. G is 9.8 meter per second square is a constant. Find the time taken in reaching maximum height. We have to find the time in reaching maximum height. Here h is a function of time and u and g are constant. It is equal to ut minus of gt square. Here h is a function of time. This function is maximum when dh by dt equal to 0. Apply derivative to this function dh by dt. dh by dt equal to dh by dt equal to 0. d of dt dt is ut minus d by dt of gt square. It is equal to 0. d of dt of this ut d of dt of this ut is u minus d of dt of this of gt square is 1 by 2 into 2 into gt. It is equal to 0. Here these two cancel. We have u minus gt equal to 0. Here we need to find t. We need to find t. T equal to u by g at time t, which is equal to u by g, is the time at which height is maximum. This problem is over.